Umpachene Falls is one of the hidden gems of the Berkshires. It is located in New Marlborough, Southfield, Massachusetts. Now, the locals here want Umpachene Falls to stay hidden. I understand why. It's a beautiful place. Even if you are not a local, if you do not live in the area, you are still welcome. Just as long as you leave the place the way you found it, clean. The waterfall is about 1/3 of a mile from the trailhead, but it's worth it for its beauty and solitude. Our next stop is the Berkshire Museum in Pittsfield, Massachusetts. It was founded in 1903 by Zenas Crane, who wanted to showcase the natural history of the Berkshires. A true gem in the heart of New England, this museum offers not only sweeping vistas of paintings and sculpture, but also immersive experiences in natural sciences and history. The Berkshire Museum is a treasure trove for those interested in history of the Berkshires. It also has one of the largest collections in America with over 40,000 objects in its collection, and offers visitors a glimpse into the colorful past of New England's most rural region with items covering over 200 years of local history. There is a lot to do and see outside of the museum and around Sheffield on any given day of the year. But the museum has a lot to offer. It's not just a destination for art lovers and tourists, but is also an educational institution that attracts visitors from all over the world. The museum is located at 39 South Street in Pittsfield, Massachusetts. Hey!